Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of SmartTips. I'm Avi Herstenberg, Head of Partnerships here at SmartSuite, and today we're going to talk about how you can auto-generate a record title within SmartSuite. Let's take a look how. So I'm here in SmartSuite, and we're taking a look at the people and personas within the marketing campaigns solution template. And so when you're looking at the record title, so the record title will always be on your far left, and over here in a grid view, as you can tell, I have a whole bunch of information that I'm tracking on a record basis or on a record level. And so if I click in, I'm going to double tap real quick to reach the record title settings. And right now we're set to manual input, and you can obviously require an entry to be unique or require an entry in the first place. And right now the entries are basically telling us the persona titles. But what if I shifted this column and I created a new column that the title was, persona titles, and added the persona titles in this other column. And then I wanted to go ahead and change this record title to be, instead of persona titles, to be an aggregate of information, so I know what we're talking about. And so I can switch over here and toggle to auto generated. And yes, I understand I'm switching to auto generated. And so this allows me to now add text input, and B, add any field type which will dynamically update. So for example, let's say I wanted to title these records with the name and the age. So I can search over here for name, since it's a field over here. So I'm going to have name, and I'm going to put age. So name is age. And let's see if we're going to find another. Let's put ethnicity. And we're going to add over here and ethnicity. Okay, good. We're going to go ahead and update. Now watch what happens on the record title column over here. They all automatically update to say the name, Karen M, is 35, mixed ethnicity. And so what this does is this will auto-generate based on the fields that you have throughout the record. And so this is a great way to summarize records by looking at the title, and you can tell quickly a summary of the record. So for example, I manage partners here at SmartSuite. And so I have a list where I'm tracking all the partners I want to get listed on our brand new partner marketplace. And so I have a separate column for the partner name and all the other informations. And with the record title, I simply auto-generate the partner's name and the status of their listing, as it's submitted, reviewed, live, etc. And so that way I have a quick summary of the record in the record title. And so let's take a look over here. For example, I'm going to switch the age to 50, right? So right now, already the title over here switched to 50. I'm going to switch it back to 27, and you can see that switched to 27. If I switch the name Karen M G and I save, you'll see that updated over here. And so this is a great feature to summarize your records or make sure your records are getting automatically generated by the other information that's within your record, as well as adding text to break it up and explain. That's it for this week's episode of Smart Tips. Let me know if you have any questions or what you want us to cover in the next week, and follow us on YouTube so that you don't miss a single future SmartSuite tips.